Have you ever found yourself standing on the sidelines, watching others effortlessly connect, laugh, and command attention while you feel trapped in your own thoughts? Do you catch yourself wondering, why can't that be me? Well, today, I'm about to take you on a journey, a hero's journey. You see, every single confident person you know, from those smooth-talking friends to the public speakers you admire, has walked this path. They were once shy too. They had fears, doubts, and insecurities. But they transformed, and so can you. So, if you are ready to break free, to rewrite your story, and become someone who not only faces life's challenges, but thrives in the spotlight, then stick with me till the end. I'm about to show you exactly how to make this transformation in just 10 minutes. And hey, what I'll share in the final point, that's where the real power lies. It'll be the difference maker, the turning point in your story. So don't miss it. Point 1, embrace your fear, the call to adventure. Think about this for a second. What's holding you back? Really, why are you still in your comfort zone? Ever notice how comfort zone sounds suspiciously close to prison? We're gonna break you out of that cell. The first step, the call to adventure, is all about embracing fear. Don't ignore it. Don't hide from it. Face it head on. When you feel that nervous energy rising, that's your moment. Instead of thinking, I can't, start thinking, what if I did? Let excitement mingle with your fear. That's the fuel you need. Here's something to chew on. Did you know that fear and excitement have the same physical response in your body? When you're shy, you're interpreting that energy as fear. But all it takes is a mindset shift to start seeing it as excitement. The moment you realize this, you're already a step closer to breaking free. Point 2, change the story you're telling yourself, meeting the mentor. You're still here, right? Good. That tells me something about you. You're ready. You're ready to challenge the way you think about yourself. This next phase is called meeting the mentor. And surprise, the mentor you're meeting is actually you. Yeah, you're gonna have to be your own hero here. So ask yourself, what story are you telling yourself every day? I'm shy. I'm awkward. I'm not good enough. Enough of that. Rewrite the script. I want you to start saying, I'm someone who's learning to be more confident every day. Because guess what? Your mind listens. Say it enough times, and your actions will start matching your words. The story you tell yourself is the story you become. It's like magic, only it's all psychology. Point 3, take small risks, crossing the threshold. All right, so you've started telling yourself a new story. But don't get too cozy. Now it's time for the real challenge, crossing the threshold. This is where you leave the old you behind and start taking small risks. Start simple. Maybe strike up a conversation with someone you usually avoid. Join a group or club, share your ideas in class, or even just make eye contact a little longer than usual. These might seem like tiny steps, but each one is a victory, a mini transformation. Remember, confidence isn't built overnight. It's like a muscle. You've got to work on it consistently to see growth. But every small risk you take is a piece of that muscle. So, what small risk will you take today? Point 4, fake it till you make it. Trials and tribulations. This is the part of the journey that's the toughest, where you might start to feel discouraged. But here's a secret. Most of the confident people you see, they started off by faking it. Yep, fake it till you make it, baby. No, I'm not talking about pretending to be someone you're not. This isn't about lying to yourself. It's about becoming the version of yourself you want to be. Act as if you already have that confidence. Stand tall, speak up, and laugh at your own jokes, even if you're the only one who gets them. It's funny, isn't it? But it works. Over time, you'll find you're not faking it anymore. You're actually growing into the role. Oh, and by the way, did you know that faking a smile can actually trick your brain into thinking you're happy? Try it. Smiling and boosting your confidence. Talk about a 2-for-1 deal. Point 5. Face rejection. Head on the ordeal. Now this part isn't for the faint of heart. But since you're still here, I think you're up for it. The ordeal. Facing rejection. Sounds terrifying, right? And it is. But it's also the single most powerful way to build unshakable confidence. Here's the deal. Rejection is inevitable. Whether it's that promotion you didn't get, that friend who didn't text back, or that stranger who brushed you off, it's all part of the game. But every rejection you face, that's a step closer to resilience. And resilience, that's the heart of confidence. So the next time you're rejected, think, perfect, I'm becoming stronger. Embrace it and keep moving forward. Point 6, discover your inner strength. The reward. This is it. The reward. The moment when you faced fear, rewired your mind, taken risks, faked confidence, and embraced rejection. Now you're ready to find out what you're truly capable of. You'll notice something interesting. You won't just feel a change, you'll be the change. People will start to notice a difference in you. They'll wonder where you found this newfound strength, this unshakable confidence. You can smile, knowing that it was always there. It was just waiting for you to tap into it. You'll wonder why Superman wears his underwear on the outside. Confidence. Pure confidence. Look, you've just been on a journey. You went from feeling uncertain to discovering the power of facing fear, rewriting your story, taking risks, and embracing rejection. You're on the path now, and the only thing that can stop you is, well, you. So here's my challenge for you. Take what you've learned here and make it your own. Start today, even with one small step. And if you are ready to continue this transformation, I've got a video waiting for you about going from weak to strong. Click it, because your journey is just beginning.